Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, on Monday continued their agitation over the alleged supply of substandard textbooks, staging a protest at the gate of Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem office at Babupara. The protest, led by Desam President Bosem saw demonstrators carrying placards and raising slogans demanding a thorough inquiry into alleged irregularities in the procurement process. Desam alleged that the quality of textbooks had been compromised and demanded strict action, including blacklisting of printing firms supplying substandard materials, besides ensuring the timely availability of textbooks up to Class 8, which are to be provided by Bosem. Tension briefly escalated around 1 p.m. when protesters attempted to move towards the Bosem office premises but were stopped by police personnel at the main gate, with security forces closing the office and erecting barricades. Speaking to the media, Somorjit Maitei said Desam had repeatedly raised the issue without any response from the authorities and warned that the agitation would be intensified if corrective measures were not taken. He also expressed suspicion over the Education Department's role due to its continued silence. Meanwhile, another Desam team has been inspecting printing process engaged in Bosem textbook production to verify the quality of paper being used.
I go in the substandard with a supply to we inquiry to be who they were farmed now, farmed to get lady, but a lady was see to give by Sapi Tona Nabagi, or agenda Yabadumba, meeting notice to Turkana, and a subject to commission 14 January, don't any meeting though, very low given who came high there. Chai Matangi than Yam Ludi, Tasing Susi. Kang na uno na namthal laga sum thamaganda thar lau jogi ni khang ngam ba tok segi ni ha ba gi moong do madu yaroi leba ki yamna luba matam ni suma matam sida government na ware ba ma lauraga inquiry committee mi salo thijal laga chummi bu hal ju lale bu hal ju wa ma hai ba gi muhutta namthal laga thamaga so ma hu la ko thoning de adu bu situation sum hendalaga sum namthal laga thamaga tumi le jegi ni ha ba moong tok tar ga di tholoi hai ni ai ju leiti ha ba se te sam ni ma ke de gi thamjari dana supply the farm se blacklist to ba gi haura kan da ma se gi mari le na ba bibam to punishment ma'am se Bibasina Tunga Sugumbase, Polok the Nabi Asoba, Param, or in Habase, the Sami Makati, Marina, Tami,